In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics 4 to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your GoHighLevel account talking to Google Analytics 4 so you can measure traffic, track performance, and make smarter marketing decisions. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct GoHighLevel location and that you have access to the Google account that owns your GA4 property. If you haven't created a GA4 property yet, pause and set that up first in your Google Analytics account. It also helps to know which website data stream you'll want to link so you can pick it quickly during the connection process. Start inside your GoHighLevel dashboard. Head to Settings. You'll usually find the gear icon in the lower left area of the screen. Double check that the location name at the top matches the business or sub-account you want to connect. If you manage multiple locations, selecting the right one here ensures your analytics data maps back to the correct place. Next, open the Integrations section. This is the central hub where GoHighLevel connects with tools like Google, Facebook, Stripe, and others. We'll focus on Google for this walkthrough. If your view looks a little different due to updates or permissions, don't worry. The integrations area is where you want to be. Now, under Google, click Connect. This triggers a Google sign-in prompt. During this step, you'll authorize GoHighLevel to communicate with your Google account. Choose the Google account that owns your GA4 property, review the permissions, and approve access. Depending on your setup, you may also be asked to select the specific GA4 property and data stream that corresponds to your website. Choose the one that matches your domain so reporting stays accurate. After you complete the authorization, you should see a confirmation status indicating that Google is connected. From here, data begins to flow according to your GA4 configuration. Keep in mind that analytics isn't retroactive. Events and traffic will populate from this point forward, and it can take a little while for everything to appear in your standard reports. To validate quickly, check the real-time report in GA4 to confirm hits are arriving. If you run into issues, check for pop-up blockers that might be preventing the Google prompt from opening, confirm you have sufficient permissions in both GoHighLevel and GA4, and make sure you're using the correct Google account. Trying a private or incognito window can also help avoid conflicts with cached logins. That's it. Go to Settings, open Integrations, and click Connect under Google. With GA4 linked to GoHighLevel, you'll have cleaner attribution and a clearer view of what's working across your funnels and campaigns.